Today we'll explore when AI becomes your best learning partner and when it might actually hold you back. The key is thinking of AI like a helpful assistant that's great for starting tasks and exploring new ideas. AI works best as a helper across 4 main areas: brainstorming, writing support, language practice, and coding help. These good uses of AI all share something important. They enhance your work while keeping you actively involved. But there's a clear line between helpful AI use and problematic habits that can hurt your learning. Problematic uses include copy-paste homework, avoiding thinking, and not asking questions about AI's answers. All these bad habits lead to the same result. They prevent you from actually learning and growing. Brain rot means your thinking skills get weaker because you stop using them regularly. Just like physical muscles need exercise to stay strong, your brain muscles need regular workouts too. When you rely too heavily on AI, it weakens your memory, creativity, and focus over time. Now let's look at the right way to use AI as a learning tool. The best approach follows a clear sequence. Think first, then ask for AI help, compare answers, and learn from the content. Remember, AI should be a learning tool that enhances your education, not a shortcut that skips the hard work. Let AI support your thinking, but don't let it do the thinking for you.